So we're back in the shop. I'm super excited. We got the next project on the list. It's coming in. We're gonna be doing a fan boat, mini-ish fan boat. It's gonna be something different. Stay tuned. So all I'm using for this build is just basic 1-inch tubing 083. It's plenty heavy duty for what we're doing here, and the only reason I'm really using it is because I have a whole bunch of it lying around. So we'll just use it up and make a fan boat. We just got all the tubes bent up into shape. Now the next thing is just tack them into place, and then we'll get moving. There we go. First section's done. On to reinforcements. Got the frame starting to come together. Doing a little bit of notching. It's not notching super well. Got the old Harbor Freight notcher, doing a rough cut, and then we're making them look a little bit better on the old bench grinder. And just like that, we have the beginnings of the frame. We still have a few things to add on here and there. But it's coming together pretty good. So all we got left to do to the frame is just finish adding in these side pieces to keep the water out of the side of the boat, and one more front piece to make it rigid, and should be good to go. All right, so today we're putting in the bottom. This is a 5x10 sheet of 16 gauge steel that we're just going to obviously weld straight to the bottom of the boat. And then I will take another section and then kind of round it around these sections here to bring up and make the sides. When you got to break out the handyman to get just the right bend for that sheet metal. All right, so we got the bottom set in, welded in. Now all we got to do is get the sides put on and the back, and then we are ready for its maiden voyage. All right, so we got the sides on. It's starting to look more like a boat now. All we got to do to make this thing seaworthy is put this back on. So I stood it up on end and I traced the bottom of it. So we got this nice big cardboard cutout. And then we're going to slap that on to that big chunk of sheet metal out there and get that backside welded on and take it for a test float. we go. Almost there. It's not the best fit and it's not the best cut, but I mean that's what you get with our state-of-the-art cutting table out there. All right, so we made it to the lake, and we're gonna see if this thing floats. Well, that's a good start. Nice. That's a really good start. Wait, I want a rope of some sort. Bring me back. Oh no. Yeah! It floats! Looks like all the welds are holding in good. We're giving it all 55 pounds of thrust, and we're floating. We got ourselves a boat. Okay, so that's it. It floats. Now on for stage 2. We're going for the engine and the cage. Stick around. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.